refreshing on a hot summer day than a great bowl of ice cream? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate-covered strawberry rosé ice cream in your own kitchen. No ice cream maker? No worries! This is no churn ice cream, so no ice cream maker is needed. To make the ice cream, you need 5 simple ingredients. Some heavy whipping cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, some chocolate, or if you don't want to grate the chocolate yourself, you can always use some mini chocolate chips, some strawberries, and of course, some Hampton Water Rosé. To grate your chocolate, you're just going to need a basic grater and some semi-sweet chocolate. Now, if you want to use milk chocolate, that's okay too. Just know it's going to be a little bit sweeter.
Cut strawberries into small pieces. Chill a mixing bowl for 20 minutes. With the mixer on low speed, add 2 cups heavy whipping cream, gradually increasing the speed until stiff peaks are formed. Pour in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Measure 1/3 of a cup of Hampton Water wine. With the mixer still on low speed, add the wine and continue whipping until incorporated. Remove the bowl from the mixer stand and fold in 3/4 of a cup of the cut fresh strawberries. Next, fold in 3 tablespoons of the grated chocolate or 3 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips. Remove from the freezer and stir to incorporate any pieces of chocolate or strawberry that may have sunk to the bottom. Return to the freezer and freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight. Top with the additional grated chocolate and enjoy this summer treat on a nice warm day. Visit In Pam's Kitchen on social media.